Alright, y'all. Couple of handy strippers and crimper tools. Use at work all the time. They are great. Now this one is like $17 on eBay. Still available. $17. Normal. The crimper's on this side of the hinge. See, this is crap. Anything behind here is a pain in the ass. I got this one for the crimper. See, I have Klein strippers, and I bought this only for the crimper. And it is, look at it, it's a damn nice crimper. I don't care about this, like, at all. This one is excellent. It's a great pair of pliers. Crimpers. Alright, the other one I got, because I do operational maintenance and you just have to fix stuff in bad spots. So I found this one. 90 degrees. 90 degree crimper. Because you know at different spots you get the wires. You see, I don't care about this. This is worthless. But you get the wires stripped and you get them together and they're in a weird place. So I have these. These save the day a whole bunch of times. Now, they're not so cheap, but if you do this every day for a living, these are 110% worth it. They are the OTC 5950A Crimp Pro 4-in-1. They're $45. But if you've been in a spot where I have, where this crimper is great, this crimper is excellent, but wires run straight across. You have to have room to get up here like this and crimp it. Sometimes you don't have room, but you can fit this thing in there and crimp it in place. So this thing is worth its weight in gold. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a good one. This is just stuff for professionals and operational maintenance needs. Y'all have a good one.